Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss British system of linear measurement and we'll do one problem on it. So, British system of linear measurement. So, in this again we have conversions, that is 1 league is equals to 3 miles. 1 league is equal to 3 miles. 1 mile is equals to 8 furlongs. 8 furlongs. 1 furlong is equals to 10 chains. 10 chains. 1 chain is equals to 22 yards. 22 yards. 1 yard is equals to 3 feet. 1 foot is equals to 12 inches. 12 inches. Okay, so these are the British system of linear measurement conversions. So 1 league is equal to 3 mile, 1 mile is equal to 8 furlongs, 1 furlong 10 chains, 1 chain 22 yards, 1 yard 3 feet, 1 foot 12 inches. Right? So let us do one problem on British system of linear measurement. So the problem is like this. Construct a scale of 1:14 to read feet and inches and long enough to measure up to 7 feet. Show a distance of 5 feet 10 inches on it. So we need to show a distance of 5 feet 10 inches. 10 inches. So before going to start the problem, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. So the problem is like this. So first we have to find out in this problem also representative fraction and also length of scale. So in the problem RF is directly given as 1:14. RF is given as 1:14. We need to calculate length of scale. Length of scale LS. LS is equals to RF into maximum distance or maximum length. Maximum distance or maximum length. So RF is given in the problem 1/14 into what is the maximum distance? Maximum distance is 7 feet. So 7 feet. So in the conversions you see 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. 1 foot is equals to 12 inches. 12 inches. So we can write this as 1/14 into 7 feet. 7 feet into 12 inches. 12 inches. And in the previous we have seen the conversion also. 1 inch is equals to 2.54 centimeters. 2.54 centimeters. So we can write this as 1/14 into 7 feet into 12 inches into 2.54 centimeters. Why? Because we have to convert these values into centimeters, because always the length of scale should be in centimeters. That's why we have converted inches into centimeters. So we'll get LS as 15.24 centimeters. 15.24 centimeters. 15.24 centimeters. Okay. Now we'll construct a scale of length 15.24 centimeters. So height of scale should be 10 mm. right? So this is LS is equals to 15.24 centimeters, right? Now you divide this 15.24 centimeters into 7 parts. Why? Because the maximum distance is 7 feet. So divide this scale into 7 equal parts by line divide method. So with convenient radius, what we are doing is, again we are taking 7 points. 1 with same radius, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here it is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash and 7 dash. Now join, say it is AB. So join 7th dash or 7 dash and point B. You fix your drafter. And draw a line. So fix your drafter and move on to the next point. So you'll get all equispaced parallel lines, right? So this is 6 dash. Next point is 5 dash, 4 dash, 3 dash, 2 dash and 1 dash. So right here 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now you draw all vertical lines. So that is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so this is feet scale. Okay, so write it here. Foot, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 parts. Okay, so this is main scale, that is foot scale. Now we have to divide this foot into inches. Why? Because we need to mark 5 feet 10 inches. 5 feet 10 inches. So already we know that 1 foot is equals to 12 inches. 1 foot is equals to 12 inches. So 1 foot. So you divide this 1 foot into 12 number of equal parts. Why? Because conversion is like this. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. Okay. So divide this into 12 number of equal parts. Same procedure. That is, take less than 45 degrees line with the help of some convenient radius. You divide this line into 12 number of equal parts. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with same radius, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, so this is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash and 12 dash. So these divisions, so the dividing of this foot into inches or main scale and subscale. So it is purely depends upon the conversion. Why? Because in the previous class we have seen 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeters. So main scale was meters and again it was decimeters. So this was only 10 parts. So purely it will be depend on the conversion only. Okay, so why? Because it is 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. That's why we are dividing this 1 foot into 12 number of equal parts. 12 number of equal parts. For example, see, if it is 1 yard, 1 yard is there. So what is 1 yard? What is the conversion? 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So if it is yards problem, so this should be only 3 parts. Okay, we'll solve one problem on this also, right? Then you can understand easily. So now we have divided this into 12 number of equal parts. So what we have to do is now same procedure. So 12 dash and 0. You draw a line, fix your drafter, move to the next point. Next point. So we have divided this into 12 number of equal parts. So now you draw a line in the middle. Now you project all these points or you draw all these points vertically onto the line. Okay, so now write 2, 4, 10 and 12. 2, 4, 6, 2, and 12. Okay, so now we need to mark 5 feet 10 inches. 5 feet 10 inches and subscale is in inches. So you write here so here it is inches. This is inch. Okay, so inch and foot, main scale and subscale. Okay, so in the middle write RF. RF is equals to 1:14. Okay, now you have to mark a distance of 5 feet 10 inches. So 5 feet is here and 10 inches. 10, 11, 12. So 10 is this. Five feet 10 inch. 5 feet 10 inches. Okay, 5 feet 10 inches. 5 feet 10 inches. So this is the problem. So this is nothing but now British system of linear measurement in that. So these are the conversions, right? So in the next class we will see one more problem. So that is yards and feet problem. Okay, so we conclude our class. Thank you.